Greetings everyone. As the principal of Mount Zion Kids School, I'm delighted to address you all on the behalf of our school community regarding the book fair which we are organizing in our school premises on the 17th and 18th in association with 24 Hours Inspired. Today, I have Dr. Ravin Sharma with me, the director of our school, and Devakar Basne, Chief Learning Officer, 24 Hours Inspired. At our school, we are committed to providing our students with holistic education wherein students will not only focus on their academic excellence but foster a love for learning and their personal growth. So our dedicated team has created this exciting opportunity for our young minds to explore new literature and expand their knowledge through this book fair. And this is not only for our young minds, but I would like to extend my invitation to every one of you to join us in the book fair to explore the wonders of literatures. I'm sure that you will leave the book fair with renewed appreciation for the power of the books in enriching our lives. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over to the director, Dr. Ravin Sharma.
Namaskar. A very good afternoon to everyone. The objective behind हामीले यो प्रोग्राम बुक फेयरको प्रोग्राम इन एसोसिएसन विथ 24 आवर्स इन्स्पायर्ड गर्नुको पछि अब्जेक्टिभ्स के छ भन्ने कुरा म राख्न चाहन्छु र हाम्रो माउन्ट जायन किड्जी स्कुल सिङतामको जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो भिजन स्टेटमेन्ट छ भिजन स्टेटमेन्टले भन्छ The school is to foster community where knowledge is nurtured, character is paramount, and individuals are not only competent but also responsible. So, यो आधार school को vision अनि to achieve जे पनि अंकित छ school को vision सँग यही objectives लाई meet गर्नको लागि this is a humble effort in collaboration with 24 Hours Inspired. We are trying to provide a platform for the children, parents and community at large to kind of inspire everyone, to encourage everyone to form a bond with the books. That is the primary objective of why we have organized and been the organizer of this book fair. There are various positive implications of what books can give all of us. There are cognitive benefits नानीहरुलाई हुन्छ जस्तो for example if a child is reading उसको reading habit छ भने उसको critical thinking skills, memory power, उसको language competency, उसको बोल्ने क्षमता सबै चीजमा सुधार आउँछ over the time. त्यसरी नै if we have to see the mental र psychological state, book reading can be a great stress reliever हुन सक्छ. It could also have a therapeutic impact हुन सक्छ, दबाईको काम गर्न सक्छ. र त्यसरी नै फ्युचरमा गएर जब नानीहरूले कम्पिटिटिभ एक्जाम्स या ठुलो ठुलो प्लेटफर्म्समा उहाँहरू भागीदार हुनुपर्छ र त्यसको लागि पनि एउटा बुकको रिलेसनले त्यो नानीलाई प्रिपेयर गराउँदछ. सो वी लुक फरवर्ड कि जति पनि बाहिरबाट स्कुलका नानीहरू would visit this book fair tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we would request that they should not miss this wonderful opportunity wherein we are getting a wonderful chance to build a bond with beautiful books and then inspire ourselves to be a lifelong learner. Lifelong learner भन्नाले म के भन्न चाहन्छु भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ नानीकोमा जस्तो क्युरियोसिटी हुन्छ त्यस्तै क्युरियोसिटी चाहिँ हाम्रोमा पनि सबैजनाकोमा पनि irrespective of age त्यो क्युरियोसिटी बसिरहेको छ भने हामी lifelong learner हुन सक्छौँ. So all the best to the staff, teachers and the members from the 24 Hours Inspired. Let us all await for everyone's visit to our school for this wonderful event. Thank you so much. My best wishes to everyone. Thank you.
At the outset, we'd like to thank Mount Zion Kidzi Singtam for inviting us to be a part of this book fair, with a special mention to chairman of this institution, Sri Shishir Chhetri. We are delighted to be a part of this book fair. We have conducted the Sikkim Book Fair 2024 in Gangtok and in Pakyong, and here we are tomorrow and day after at Mount Zion Kidzi Singtam for the book fair. One of the objectives, as Director Sir also said, is to foster the spirit of and build an ecosystem of reading and learning. So Gangtok ma जुन चाहिँ हामीले गर्यो, पाक्योङ मा जुन चाहिँ हामीले गर्यो, हामी एकदमै खुसी छौं कि हामीले यो दुईटा ठाउँमा at least we have further ignited the spirit of learning and reading. अनि मलाई I have full faith that tomorrow and day after we are going to have a lot of parents and a lot of students who are going to get more involved in the aspect of reading books. The books that we are going to bring for the 2 days of book fair is from National Book Trust, Government of India. The best thing about the books that come for the book fair is, number one, the variety of books. This is the highest varieties of book that you'll get in of any publisher. And number two, some of the important the books are very affordable. Books start from the range of 15 rupees and it goes to about 45, 50, 55 to about 150 rupees for the junior section, which is very affordable. And we would request parents, guardian from Singtam and nearby places to come and be a part of this book fair. अनि यो book fair मा खाली book को sales र book हेर्नु मात्रै नभएर, what we also have is हामीले अघि पनि भनिहाल्यो, एउटा reading को ecosystem हामीले क्रिएट गर्न खोज्दैछौँ. सो यहाँ हाम्रो रिडिङ कर्नर्स हुन्छ, हाम्रो ओपन माइक पनि छ जहाँ चाहिँ नानीहरूले आएर आफ्नो पोएट्री, आफ्नो स्टोरिजहरू पनि उहाँहरूले आएर they can read it out, they can recite. This is a space that we are creating for the next 2 days in terms of not only selling books but also inspiring younger generation to bring out their talents. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is what the book fair is, 17th and 18th, and it starts 10 a.m. onwards. We look forward for all the schools. We're very thankful to Mount Zion Kidzi Singtam for inviting at least 20-25 schools around Singtam and Rampu. तपाईहरु पनि आएर यहाँ please be a part of the book fair. अनि we would request parents of the vicinity, तपाईहरुले आफ्नो नानीहरु ल्याएर पनि यहाँ आइदिनुस् भनेर. So this is an invitation for everybody to be a part of Sikkim Book Fair 2024 Singtam edition, and we are once again thankful to the institution for giving us this opportunity to collaborate with them in this book fair.